What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the best smartphones with 12 gigabytes of RAM. So these are going to be the most powerful smartphones that you can get. So first is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. In my opinion, one of the best you can get. So it does come with 12 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte of built-in storage. You do get the Exynos 9820 processor and the Snapdragon 855 chipset. So you do get the One UI, which is really great. Android 9.0 and a 4100 milliamp battery. With fast charging. So you do have a triple camera setup with 16 and two 12 megapixel trio, and on the front you have a 10 megapixel and an 8 megapixel dual front facing cameras. So next you have the Xiaomi Mi 9 Explorer Edition. So this is a really nice phone. The design is just really nice, very unique. I really love it. So you do have 12 gigabytes of RAM. You do have the Snapdragon 855, 256 gigabytes of storage, along with a 3300 milliamp battery. It is a little bit on the weak side when you compare it to the Galaxy S10 Plus for such a high end phone. You do get the MyUI skin on top of Android 9 OS, and you do have a 48 megapixel plus a 16 megapixel and another 12 megapixel triple camera setup, along with a 20 megapixel front facing camera. So next is going to be the Lenovo Z6 Pro. This has another really awesome design. You get the little water drop teardrop notch on there. You do have, again, 12 gigabytes of RAM. You also have the Snapdragon 855 along with 512 gigabytes of onboard storage. This one has a really nice battery size of 4000 milliamps, and you do get 27 watt fast charging support. You do have that quad camera setup with hypervision with a 48 megapixel sensor, which is very nice. So next is the Xiaomi Black Shark 2. So this is a gaming phone and it looks really nice. I really love the design. So if you're a gamer, definitely you're gonna want to check this out. You do have 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage, the Snapdragon 855. You do get ludicrous mode with AI optimization for the CPU and GPU, and you also get a liquid chamber cooling and the cooling case to take care of the thermal management. So if you really are into mobile gaming, this is going to be something you're going to want to get. So the cameras comprise of a 48 megapixel plus a 12 megapixel dual setup, so no triple setup. You do get a 20 megapixel front facing camera. You do get Android 9.0 pretty much left untouched with a little optimization here and there, and a 4000 milliamp battery with 27 watt fast charging. Now that's the Oneplus 7 Pro. So this is an awesome smartphone because you get a 90 hertz refresh rate on the display, and that is just crazy. So you have 12 gigabytes of RAM. You do have the Snapdragon 855 processor. You also have a 2K AMOLED display. Along with that, again, 90 hertz refresh rate, which means it's going to be buttery smooth when you're just scrolling through and playing games and stuff. So you do have a triple camera setup. It consists of 48 megapixel for the primary snapper. You do get a 16 megapixel selfie camera as well with that little pop-up module. So very cool. You get a full screen display on this guy. This is one of my favorite phones. You can expect this phone to keep getting software updates. It's one of the best. It has a really nice design, and like I said, that 90 hertz refresh rate is crazy. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.